Hey friends out there, Rob here. Today I want to talk to you about YoloBox Extreme, an encoder, streamer, recorder, workflow production device, audio interface, mixer. There are so many things this does, but I want to share with you, for those that don't know, what it does in my 5 favorite features for 2026. But I've also got a 6th favorite, and it's kind of a tip. It's at the end, and it's about something you want to know about, so stick around. We're going to be talking about these in no particular order, so let's get started. Number 1, it's the audio mixer. I was in the Army, and in the Signal Corps, we had a saying, you can talk about us, but you can't talk without us. The YoloBox Extreme turns that challenge of video and audio and bringing them together into a superpower because it has such a detailed, finely tuned, integrated audio mixing panel. This allows you to monitor and balance your multiple inputs perfectly on the fly. A few things you can do that make this so great is, number 1, you can offset the video and audio delay of different inputs. You can choose between mic and line level inputs. You have the option to use noise reduction on your mic or line level inputs, and you can have audio follow video or video follow audio. Isn't that wild? These are all easy to set up and very simple to manage on the 11.2-inch screen of the YoloBox Extreme. This lush large display makes monitoring your audio an easy breeze. That brings us on to number 2, multi-view capabilities. Goodness gracious, the ability to show what you're seeing and portraying is so important. Beyond the sound, the Extreme offers robust multi-view capabilities. This allows you to arrange, customize, and save your picture-in-picture or side-by-side layouts ahead of time for a completely unique professional broadcast look. Have you ever been on a tight production schedule? I certainly know I have. Most of you guys have too. And you'll know how difficult it is to set up and get your cameras ready and then put together the templates and the broadcast screening of how you're going to present your show. YoloBox makes that easy with savable, retrievable, and customizable program windows set for a news layout or a customized layout. You can have multiple of your video inputs working at any time, switching between them and improve them with chroma keying, overlays, graphics, titles, countdown timers, scoreboards, and web graphics from an off-site URL. This makes bringing your unique program to the masses simple and easy. It's kind of a superpower, and I love it. And if you found this to be helpful, don't forget to use my links down below. You'll save a little bit of money, and I'll get a small kickback. It's a win-win for me helping you. And don't forget, if you've got any questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll answer them, especially if you're subscribed. Thanks a lot. Number 3, effortless multi-camera switching. When it comes to live switching, YoloBox Extreme makes transitioning between multiple HDMI and USB video sources instantaneous. With a simple tab, you can just keep your production smooth, responsive, and professional without missing a beat. But it goes so much more than that. It can be a remote guest that you bring in live through YoloBox's easy-to-use Invite a Guest feature. It can be a PNG, a PDF. It can be any kind of graphic. In fact, anything can be a video that isn't just audio, and you can use it to display, switch, or change on the fly. That makes effortless multi-camera switching simple. So number 4, YoloBox Extreme captures individual video inputs separately in high quality, giving you the ultimate freedom and safety in post-production if you need to fix a cut or rebuild a segment later. You can record the program output as well as multiple inputs at the same time in resolutions up to 4K. I like to record my program output in 4K and my individual camera cuts in 1080p, but most of the time when I'm doing streaming, I'll just record everything in 1080p and stream in 1080p. However, you can stream and record in different resolutions to your heart's content. Basically, whatever your client or your network needs are, you've got it covered. This brings us to our final tip, flexible and immersive graphical overlays. Goodness gracious, YoloBox makes it easy to use graphics. Adding to that visual polish is the graphic overlay features, which lets you include professional flair directly into your system. You can pop custom lower thirds or titles or logos or even countdown timers instantly to make your brand shine. But what's more than that is you can customize this specifically to your look and client's needs, meaning you don't have to have a baked-in look that so many switching programs and switching services provide. You can create a completely crafted and curated look specifically for your client, broadcast, or show. Okay, so now it's time for that bonus tip. Are you ready? This is more of a pro tip, but it's something that users find as a pain point. Setting up a custom RTMP or SRT stream. YOLOLIV simplifies this process by giving you an easy-to-use interface that once you set it up, can be saved and recalled at any time that you need. So whenever the APK changes and one-click streaming, which is something that's handled on the content delivery network's end, meaning whenever Facebook updates their APKs and makes it more difficult for services like YoloBox and other streaming sessions to sign in, YoloBox has already got you covered. You set it up once, and you can always go back to it anytime you need it. So there you have it. Those are my 5 favorite features and 1 bonus tip. Just remember, I'm not just sharing with you things from a bullet point. I'm sharing with you my 5 favorite features. I make money using YoloBox Extreme all the time. I run, manage, own a video production house. I have to use 8, 9, 10 cameras sometimes when I'm on location at a production, and having YoloBox Extreme makes this simple. It reduces the number of people I need to run a production, and it makes producing an immediate deliverable for that production way easier. Simply put, YoloBox is the production hub that brings in everything from your audio to your switching and cameras to your guests to your PNGs, your graphics, your overlays, your titles, and streaming with recording to put it into a small spot that allows you to have a big output. One person can manage the entire operation. This cuts your overhead down, your delivery time down, but also adds value for faster turnarounds and ease of use. And it's one of the reasons I love YoloBox so much. It makes me money. Guys, I want to thank you for watching today. If you found this helpful, do the things we do. Like, comment, subscribe, use my link, save some money. It's down below. If you got any questions, leave them or email me. I'll be happy to help you out. I'm Robin. I want to thank you for watching. Remind you, I'll catch you on the flip side. Bye for now.